do it all the time. Keep your guards up, waiting like. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy. You know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Taylor Dunn. Y'all see the body? Y'all see? Hold on. Y'all see that body? Yeah. T. Make sure y'all go and watch my glutes routine workout, because if you haven't watched it, you miss it out. But today is Sunday. This is going to be a Sunday reset vlog. It is 5:40 a.m. in the morning, and I'm getting ready to go meet Lynn at the gym. I'll go to the gym. I'm gonna come back home, take a shower, then we're gonna go to church, and then we're gonna go do some grocery shopping. And then I'll come home and, you know, clean up, get ready for the week, get my kids situated for the week for school. So, this ride. So I will call upon your name. I am yours. You are mine. Okay, y'all, I just got to the gym. It's 6 a.m. I'm waiting on Lynn. It's 6:02 actually. I'm waiting on Lynn. She should be. I said, no, ain't nobody in my backseat. But I really need to fix my lashes. They look a mess. I want them soaked off so bad. That's the best I can do. Yo! Why I left my whole freaking gym bag? I don't have no freaking... I'm pissed. I'm not pissed. But see how the devil work? You come to get up early on a Sunday to come to work. Come to the gym and you leave your gym bag. I'm gonna check my trunk and make sure it's not in here, but what the crap? But let's go in here and get a workout. Let's go.
Alright, in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, higher than they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Alright, I am back at home. I'm fixing to fix me some breakfast real quick. I think I'm gonna do eggs and some waffles and some beef hot dogs. It is 7:40, so I need to hurry up and fix me some breakfast, take a shower, and then get ready for church, because church starts at 8:30 a.m. Fix me some breakfast. I am freaking starving, I swear. Okay, y'all, I'm ready for church. I have my outfit. So cute, see? Real cute, let's go. I don't know what I did to my camera settings, but we just left from church. It is 9:57, and we're finna go, me and Lynn finna go to Aldi and go grocery shopping. I love my friend so much, y'all, and she joined my church today. This is so tea.
But I need that time when I see you crying.
Is the heart of a woman. Yeah.
Y'all, we just got done grocery shopping. I'm sure everything. I ain't gonna show everything in my basket, but we got a meal prep to be prepared for the week, baby.
Answer, I may never find what I would choose you. Wanna give up on you, but I know I can't. I put the blame on me.
Is it raining? I don't understand.
And I try to be strong. I touch your face on this time.
Alright guys, I have finished meal prepping my food. We're starting on Sunday dinner now. I don't know how to cut up cabbage, so my baby daddy cutting the cabbage up, y'all, because I ain't good at that. Put dinner on early before we go get the kids. And then I'll probably end this vlog later on, y'all, because it's just a Sunday reset vlog. But I'm washing their clothes and stuff. I'm going to get their clothes out for the week. And then it's going to be the end of this vlog. So let's get this Sunday dinner on. Alright, y'all. It is like almost 8 o'clock. The last thing I got to do is pack baby girl lunch. Y'all, she don't like to eat food at school. So I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to pack in her lunchbox and I'm going to end this vlog. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to do one of these peanut butter and honey Crustables in there.
I really love that.
We give her a Capri Sun, the lemonade kind. I don't be like to give my kids nothing. They got red 40, yellow 6, blue, all that dye. We try to stay away from that stuff. Put her orange in there, y'all. Little cinnamon toast crunch on the other side. And this her lunch for tomorrow. I'm gonna put her juice in her pack right here. And her lunch is packed. Okay. I'm gonna make me a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for the gym in the morning, y'all. Here go my dinner. I'm fixing to eat my food. And
Mama, I'm healthy. Ooh.
You eat healthy?
Because the doctor said I gotta eat healthy. I mean, not the doctor.
I hope you guys enjoyed this Sunday reset. I do have to still get he got the kids' school closed out, so we all set for the week. I'll do some deep cleaning later on this week. It'd be a lot. It's like it's not enough hours in a day,
Mama,
you know, for all the stuff that you be having to do. Huh?
drop my lap.
It's okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Sunday reset. It really was a good day for me. Make sure you guys tune into all my vlogs. They're dropped on Mondays and Wednesdays. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back and watch your girl. Bye.